When you're working in HVAC, you've got to be ready for anything. You never really know what you're going to see day to day, so having everything with you is absolutely necessary. And that's where this Mercedes-Benz Sprinter really shines. It makes hauling everything a breeze. There is just so much space. We can keep whatever we need, tools, equipment, parts, no problem. Being able to just get up and go is really important. The heated seats, total game changer when it's freezing outside. Our techs absolutely love them. It's a smooth ride. It's diesel, so it gets great mileage. And it's got the power to haul all of our stuff without skipping a beat. Honestly, we would be lost without it. Just like this van keeps us prepared for any job, a Mitsubishi Electric heating and air conditioning system keeps your home comfortable all year round. This year's Comfort Madness HVAC giveaway is wrapping up, so follow us on social media and stay tuned to see who takes home the prize.